Yes, children, good morning. How are you, children? Are you all working out your problems, learning all the divisions? From Monday you have exams. Do you remember that? Teacher has posted the timetable in the group. Yes? Now open a fresh page. Open the fresh page and write today's date. What is today's date, children? Today is 26-2-21. Today is 26-2-21. What is the date today? Today is Friday. What is the date today? Today is Friday. Okay, children. Today is Friday. 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 Come on. Open fresh page. Now we are going to do sixth bit. Sixth bit, children. Right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. 12 and 13 table. 12 and 13 table. Okay, come on, write. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 12 tens are 120. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. Yes, children, it went cross. So again I am rubbing and writing it. Yes. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 12 tens are 120. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. Come on, read. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 sevens are 120. Okay, now? Now write 13 tables, children. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours 104. 13 8 104. 13 9 117. 13 9 117. 13 10 130. 13 1 30. 13 2 26. 13 3 39. 13 4 52. 13 5 65. 13 6 78. 13 7 91. 13 8 104. 13 8 104. 13 9 170. 13 9 170. 13 10 130. 13 10 130. These two tables you have in exam. Learn perfectly these two tables. Okay, children? Come and write them first in a neat handwriting. Copy them neatly, children. Okay? Read while you write, children. पढ़ते हुए लिखो. पढ़ते हुए लिखो. While you are writing, read the table and write. Everybody, I am saying. Now, shall we move on to the next page? Shall we go to the next page, children? Open fresh page. Write next to bed, children. Open fresh page and write next to bed. Open fresh page and write next to bed. Find the quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient, and find the quotient and remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay, children? You know what is quotient and what is remainder? See, whenever we divide 18, see, this is known as division. Divided by 2. What? When it comes in 2 table 18, when does it come? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So, the number which it is, this side, this is called as quotient. And the 0 is known as remainder. Yes, this is known as remainder. And this is dividend. And this is known as divisor. Okay, children? What is the first one? 64 divided by 8. Okay? So what should you do? You have to write this 64 in the middle. Divided by 8. Okay, children? Now write down 8 table in the working column. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 60. 54. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Okay, children. Now, see, we can't take single number because 8 is bigger, 6 is small. So, in the 8 table, we won't get 6. So, we will take 2 digits. 2 digits means it becomes 64. When does 64 come? Does 64 come in 8 table, children? Yes. When does it come? 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 is nothing but 0. Now, what is the quotient, children? Quotient is equal to 8. Remainder is equal to 0. Come on, right? Whenever you are doing any sum, write its table beside it. Yes? Whenever you are doing multiplication sums, division sums, write the table beside it. Follow? Write neatly, children. You have to write the 8 table in the working column, rough column. Now, shall we do the next sum, children? Shall we do the next sum? B1 is 88 divided by 10, children. 88 divided by 10. So, what you are going to write? What you are going to write? 88 should be in the middle. This should 10. So here what table we require to write? We need to write 10 table. Come on, write 10 table in the rough column. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. Okay, children? 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. Yes. Now which number we want? We want 88. Does 88 come in 10 table, children? Does 88 come in 10 table? No. What is the less number than 88? Which is smaller than 88? Yes, 80. We can't take 90 because 90 is bigger than 80. 88. Okay? We have to take 80. 10. Kabara 10 table mein 80. 10 eights are 80. Okay, now you subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So, what is the quotient? Quotient. What is the quotient, children? Quotient is 8. Quotient is 8. Remainder is also 8. Okay? Quotient is also 8. Here, remainder is also 8. No need to write 0, children. Remainder is also 8. Followed? After you complete this, I will give more 2 sums for homework. Come on, write these 2 sums. Write them neatly. You have to write the table beside the question. Some children, everyone. Did you all finish copying this? Yes? Now I'll give you 2 sums for homework. You try it here. Yes? You try it. I'll give 2 sums for homework. You try them. You have to do the 2 sums for homework. Homework sums. (48) divided by 6, and the next one is 97 divided by 30. Yes, here you have to write 6 table and do that, and here you have to write 13 table and do this sum. Okay? With this we have completed our revision, children. With this we have completed our revision. You are going to prepare all the 7 bits perfectly. From Monday you have exams. You have to come to the school and write the exam. Okay? Teacher has posted the timetable in the group, no children? Did your teacher send you the timetable in the group? Yes, according to the timetable, we have mentioned even the timings in the timetable also. At what time the boys should come, at what time the girls should come. Yes, you have to come to the school, get all your things, pad, pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen. Yes, and you have to write the exam in the school. Practice all the bits, children. I want each and everyone to get a good marks. Yes, you have to get very good marks. Each and every student should get the good marks. Yes, will you all get good marks, children? మంచి మార్కులు తెచ్చుకుంటారా లేదా? If you practice only, you will get the sums. Maths you should not read, no? Maths చదువుతారా? చదవద్దు. మీరు ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు సమ్స్ అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వస్తాయి. కాబట్టి మీరు రోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. మ్యాథ్స్ టేబుల్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. సమ్స్ అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే మీకు సమ్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వస్తాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పింది? కాబట్టి ఇవాళ ఇచ్చిన సమ్స్ అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. जो भी सम्स अब तक दिए मैं पूरे 7 बिट्स वो पूरे अच्छे से सीख लो. रफ बुक में बिना देख के टेस्ट लगा लेके आप लोग ही लिख लो और अच्छे प्रैक्टिस कर लो. सब जने को अच्छा मार्क्स मिलना है. ठीक है? Okay children, all the best for your exams. Learn all the subjects thoroughly, perfectly. Okay? See you all in the school on Monday. Bye. Have a nice day.